Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this presentation video, I want to show to you about my final project planning. But before it, let me introduce myself. My name is Romadhona Pranata, my student number 34. This is my SV surname. There are Engineer Dr. Mrs. Prima Kristalina, Master of Science, and Mr. Hayati Amran Darwito, Bachelor of Science and Master of Science. In this session, I want to explain to you about my final project, start from background and the expected result. And the title of my final project is Automatic Parking Application based on QR code for solution to search for empty parking space in busy parking area. The ideas from these applications comes from reality. That mall is a shopping center that is very popular with people in big cities, as like Surabaya. Yeah, Surabaya has many large malls, which are almost always full of visitors every day, start from young people to the elderly. The large number of vehicles come to the mall involve increasing number of vehicles parked in the mall parking area. To park a vehicle, the driver must find a parking space, so it takes some time to find it. The consequence, there is a traffic jam in the parking area, especially in the car parking area. This problem can be solved by advising technology parking application to find the nearest parking space. The goals of my final project is the first, create an Android application based on QR code with the recommendation of the nearest idle parking. It makes easier for user to park their vehicle. And the second, create an admin website for administration by the parking manager. The formulation of the problem in my final project is: number 1, how does the QR code system access the data from the database? Number 2, how does the system recommend a strategic parking space on the mall parking space to the user? Number 3, what is the relationship between the GET server and the virtual payment server? And then the problem elimination of my final project is the first, simulation of application used in miniature of street parking. They have 5 GET and graded. The second, research only on the software on the system. And the third, the application can detect users who occupy the place of unrecommended by system. The fourth, the top-up menu just for simulation. The methodology to solving problem as well as saving expected result. The implementation method as this diagram. The first step is preparations, which includes software installation and system planning. This is the diagram of system planning. After that, make mockup. This is designs of mockup. And next, create apps, create database, create website admin, and then development API and also system integration with algorithm. And then API implementation. After all is accomplished, I will do testing, and finally is analysis and conclusion step. This is a scenario of using a parking system based on QR code. From this diagram scenario, we know that QR code as the user identifier for login and authentication to the system. So they automatically obtain information on the parking space that has been integrated with the server. In addition, QR code is also used for the log of process and a parking transaction. To create this application using the JavaScript programming by Android Studio, and then create the web admin using the PHP programming. Moreover, MySQL as a database. The server recommended processing data using the BFS algorithm. BFS is bird first search. BFS algorithm is the sorted through search algorithm with many nodes. In BFS method, all nodes at level n will be visited first before node at level n plus 1. But this is case if algorithm doesn't find a closest access distance. And this algorithm will looping until find a solution. There are several parameters are tested, such as functional, usability, compatibility, and visual. Finally, we discuss about expected result. In my final project, the expected result is automatic parking application able to solve the problem of congestion that is the off-street parking. It is expected that application and system can be applied in Indonesia. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I'm so sorry if I have many mistakes in this video, in this material. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.